Welcome to Upstyle Press. In this video, I will show you how can you enable or disable call waiting on Android. If you are in middle of a call and someone else calls you, they will be notified that you are in a call. This is because call waiting feature will be enabled in your phone. You can disable or enable it easily. To do that, open phone app, tap three dots at the top right, select settings, select supplementary services. If you have the option of calling accounts, select that. Turn on call waiting option. From settings, you can also search for call waiting. Select the option. It will bring you to the same screen and you can toggle it from here. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.